You want those big boulder shoulders that pop right out of a t-shirt? Then you want to learn the military press. It's a very classic lift, goes by a lot of names, but it's still the best shoulder builder out there. It can pack size into your shoulders, your traps, and it's going to hit your core a lot more than you're expecting to, especially the way we're going to teach it to you right now. The military press seems like a super simple lift, just get those dumbbells overhead, but the shoulder is a super delicate joint, so we really want to own our posture as we're doing this before we even pick up those dumbbells. One of the things I see a lot on the military press, and we're going to see it, people get up here and they tend to arch over. If you're doing that, you've really got to tighten up those abs so that you stay in a nice straight line. Keep that rib cage controlled. That's what you want to do. It's going to help you with your scapular control as well. Then you want to keep that back nice and squeezed and tight. You want to try to squeeze a walnut in between your shoulder blades. That's what you want to think about when you're doing the military press. Then you tighten up those glutes, and this is your starting position for a military press. Never let those ribs flare out. The other thing, once we pick those weights up, I don't want you all the way out here. I want you slightly in front at a slight angle relative to your torso. That's called the scapular plane. It's a little bit safer for your rotator cuff tendons. In the long run, it's going to keep you nice and healthy. Maintain this nice forearm angle. That forearm should stay perpendicular with the ground the entire time. That way you're driving up with a nice lever, really focusing on those shoulders. Let's get right into the military press and see how it looks. So again, we've got everything squeezed. We've got that nice scapular plane. Note where my palms are turned. They're not turned all the way out here. They're facing each other a little bit, again, so that our rotator cuff tendons have a little bit of space to work. That core is tight. From there, we're pressing straight up with control. You're pressing up as high as you can, but again, controlling your rib cage. So don't let that flare happen, but really stay controlled and tucked on every rep. That's how you do the perfect military press. I want to see you doing that once a week. Be conservative with it with the weight, especially at first. Hit 3 sets of 10 to 12. Load it as you get comfortable. Don't go too high at first.